guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, please click that subscribe button, and let's get right into this video. So, in this video, papakita ko sa inyo guys my Shopee nail tools collection. Sinuggest ito ni Miss Louise, I think 3 weeks ago. Hindi ko agad siya nagawa ng video kasi hinihintay ko pa yung iba kong parcels na dumating. Pero since dumating na sila, this is all my Shopee nail purchases. Hindi pa siya ganun karami since I'm still a beginner. I just started doing my own nails on June, kaya di pa ganun kalawak yung collection ko. But I just wanna show you the nail goodies na nabili ko sa Shopee. Ilalagay ko lahat ng links on the description box below for all the products. But if you have further questions, you can just comment also below. So lahat ng nail tools ko, nilalagay ko lahat dito sa small drawer. Pero di siya galing sa Shopee. Actually, nabili ko siya from Lazada. It was a gift from my mom. But I think may available din na ganyang product sa Shopee. And di rin lahat ng to is from Shopee. Some of them nabili ko sa Watsons, sa Pure Gold. But most of them talaga is na-order ko online. And since June pa ako nag-start, there are some products na makikita sa older videos ko na wala na dito. Of course, kasi naubos na siya. So anyways, let's start from the bottom. Dito ko nilalagay yung mga nail tools ko like nail drill and nail lamp. Yung mga kailangan ng electricity para gumana, and nilalagay ko siya sa bottom ng drawer para if ever mahulog, wag naman sana, hindi ganun kataas yung paghuhulugan niya. So, this is the nail lamp na kasama sa Paul Gel kit na nabili ko. I think it's 9 watts and it has 6 LED beads. And nagamit ko siya for 10 videos, so sulit siya para sa akin. And then, this is my nail drill na kakabili ko lang sa Shopee. You can check my channel. It's one of my recent videos where ginamit ko siya to make Paul Gel nails. It's very cheap, pero it gets the job done. But yung issue ko lang is maikli yung power cord, kaya kailangan mo ng extension. And then, my nail bits na kasama ng nail drill. And yung nasa baba is yung mga sanding bands. And I also kept the thank you card because it's so cute. So if you're interested to buy this, lalagay ko yung link to the product sa description below. Nandito rin yung mga sandpapers ko. I uploaded a video about DIY nail files, so you can also check it out. Hindi ko to nabili sa Shopee, binili ko to sa malapit na hardware store sa amin. I think madaling makahanap ng store na nagbebenta niyan, and it's also cheap, so bumili ako in different grits. So that's the bottom drawer. Punta naman tayo sa gitna. So in this box, nandito naman yung mga tools for extensions, removal, and also my stamper. So here, ito yung nail soak of clips na ginagamit ko if tatanggalin ko na yung set of nails. And then we have the nail tips. They are natural nail tips. And isa ata to sa mga naunang nabili ko. Ang tagal niya maubos kasi alam ko 500 pieces siya, and hindi lahat ng sizes nag-fit sa nails ko. So I think yung number 7, 8, and 4 yung madalas na ginagamit ko. So yun yung konti na lang. That's why I started buying nail forms. These are my favorite, and my white stiletto nail tips. And my stamper. I will make a video about that soon. Bago lang siya sa collection ko, and nagpa-practice pa ako kung paano mag-stamp. So that's that. Punta naman tayo dito, and this is where I put my powders, acrylic and dipping powders, glitters, rhinestones, and stamping plates. So, ito yung mga dip powders na kasama sa first ever kit na binili ko, which is the Miss Cheering Dip Powder Kit. And this one is the Rosalind Acrylic Powder na di ko pa natatry, pero I will soon. So, yan yung mga powders. I also use it to mix with my clear Paul Gel to make custom colored Paul Gel for marbling. And then here, ito yung mga acrylic powders na binili ko, pero ginamit ko siya as dip powders sa previous videos ko. And madalas ito yung ginagamit ko na pangkulay sa Paul Gel kasi mas pigmented siya kaysa sa dip powders. I also have glitters and my rhinestones. Hindi pa siya ganun kabawas kasi yung pinakamaliit lang yung madalas na ginagamit ko for designs. Ang tagal na rin nito sa akin. Kasama siya sa mga una kong nabili at mura rin siya. Tapos madami na, so sulit talaga. And then meron din akong colored crystals na actually hindi for sale as nail designs. Ito yung mga ginagamit sa parang paint by number kit. Pero imbis na paint, maglalagay ka ng crystals, so hindi naubos sa set na yun. So kinuha ko na lang for this. And ito yung mga nail stamping plates ko which came with a stamper, pero yung brown na case is hindi kasali. So nabili ko siya for I think 160 pesos and 10 stamping plates na siya with different outlines. And maganda yung designs niya, pero some designs are just too big to fit the nail, especially maliit lang yung nails ko. Okay, so punta naman tayo sa pinakataas and this is where I put my nail polish, yung mga nakalagay sa bottle, and yung mga bagay na madalas kong ginagamit para mabilis ko siyang makukuha. So I have my nail clippers, Dappen dish for my acrylic monomer and slip solution, fluffy brush, ito kasama siya sa dip powder kit na binili ko, and ito yung madalas na ginagamit ko to remove the dust. And then some nail transfer stickers. Itong transparent na bibili ko ata to sa Watsons, pero yung water transfer is from Shopee. I also have striping tapes. And here yung mga maliliit na rhinestones na madalas kong gamitin. Nilalagay ko siya dito para mas madali siyang kunin. Yung dito naman is mga nail polish. Ito yung base coat and top coat na ginagamit ko. Hindi na siya kailangan ilagay under UV light. And kaya ko to binili kasi dati wala pa akong nail lamp. Kaya naghanap ako ng air dry base and top coat. Kaya yun. Karamihan sa nail polishes nabili ko sa Watsons and sa ibang stores malapit sa amin. Pero I plan to buy gel polishes sa Shopee soon. Pero ito, bumili ulit ako ng set of sassy polish. Available to sa Watsons and yung laman niya is one base coat, top coat, and one na may color. Nakalimutan ko kung magkano siya pero kasi kung bibili mo siya ng tingi, I think it costs 60 to 70 pesos. So probably yung isang set is 180 to 200 pesos. So ito yung nail polish remover na ginagamit ko. It's Bobby Nails and ito yung madalas kong ginagamit kasi di siya nakakadry ng skin. Bumili ako ng mas malaking bottle kasi before yung mas maliit yung binibili ko. Pero kulang kasi siya and mas makakamura ka kapag yung mas malaki yung binili mo. And here yung Rosalind acrylic monomer. I think it's around 50 pesos. And ito naman yung mga dip powder liquids. The base coat and nail activator, kasama siya sa dip powder kit. And then my stamping polish, super cute ng takip niya. I think nabili ko to for 60 pesos. And pinili ko yung colors black and white kasi ito yung favorite colors ko as designs and nabili ko siya sa local store sa Shopee. And then I have some old polish there. And then we have a cuticle oil. Ito yung brush on pen type cuticle oil. And dito yung mga polygels. Ang konti lang talaga niya. I'm hoping na lumawak yung polygel collection ko soon. Pero kasi mahal talaga yung kit ng polygel. Lalo na yung mga known brands like McCart. Pero sana soon makabili din ako. So, yan yung laman ng drawer. Ito we have alcohol para sa slip solution. Wala naman akong preferred brand. Basta kung ano lang rin yung ginagamit dito sa bahay, yun na din yung ginagamit ko as slip. And then, ito naman yung lagay ng mga nail files and nail brushes ko. Ito yung acrylic brush, size 8. buffer in a grit of 600/3000, and then my DIY nail file with 100/180 grit. Ito naman yung file that came with the polygel kit. Another file, polygel brush, fluffy brush, cuticle pusher, and DIY buffer. Yung iba dyan, di ko naman masyado ginagamit, so yun. Ito naman yung brush na ginagamit ko din for polygel. So, yun yung laman ng pencil holder ko. And yun lahat ng nail tools collection ko. I hope you enjoyed this video kasi nag-enjoy din ako gawin to. So please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below suggestions on what I should do next. So follow me on Instagram at @thehappyfingers. And if you're new here, subscribe to my channel, turn on my post notification, and I'll see you on the next one.